any WordPress site, after design your theme, first of all, you can remove the old content, add the new content. Content will be two types: with content to make the website, with video to make the website. Now I am making site totally video making site. YouTube is complete for children rhymes. So just log in for your dashboard. How to log in? After.com /p-admin. In this, select your pages. Here, how many pages we have? Only for home page, only for one page. So how many pages we have? Only for home page. Click for edit. A home page already existing content will be there. Which one? Images and the old content. I can remove the all content. I can remove the all content. See this one. So everything simple format. Select, click for remove. So what are the options are here? Click by the all remove option. Done. Now click for update. Now click for refresh. Any content is there? No content. Only for your image will be here. So image will be in using for where? Header. Where? In the header. This image will be delete option is called. Select your appearance. In this, click for customize. Check your background image. So any image will be there? No. Select your header image. Yes. This is your header image. Hide and publish. Total option, appearance, click for customize. Now, remove which one? Your main background image. The image name is called your header image. So what are the requirements? If not required, just you can hide, add the new options. Everything, the option call is appearance. Appearance, go to customize. Is it clear? These are setting for previous one. Now is a totally empty template. After remove your old content, to update your new content, same. Go to your pages. Select your home page. Select your home page. In this, any content you are updating on your site, first of all, if you're making for image, select your image, upload by using desktop. Copy, paste it. Image done. Image done. Next one, come into your text. Add one. What is that? Add paragraph. I'm updating content here. So not here. Now click for update. Just I'm adding for image and content. Update your page. Ready? This is the image. This is the content. This is the image and this is the content. Any content to update any pages, first of all, add media. Next, you can select by the add your option. So any content belongs to option called here. Paragraph, image, headings, code, list, gallery. Every option will be here. Existing option to build your site. Don't write any kind of customized code. You are using for existing option to making for site. So after design your home page, to create the n number of pages. The pages how to have the menu bar option. How to have the menu bar option. First of all, select by the all pages. Each WordPress to making n number of pages. Click for add new. Select page name. Add your title. Now click for publish. Now I'm clicking for 2 to 3 pages. Previous how many pages? Only one. Now I'm clicking for 2 pages. Add 3. Copy. When you use any page name, don't use any kind of special characters. Publish and publish. Content we can using special characters. But your structure will be not using any kind of special characters. All pages. So right now how many pages we have? Home, children names in Telugu and in the total 3 pages. Now coming to refresh. How many? 1, 2 and 3 pages. So the 3 pages at show my home page will be first option. At to show my home page will be first option. This totally based on the themes. Based on the theme option. That will be check every option after creating pages to check the pages order. Disorder are all options. Coming to appearance, option call is menus. In this. So what options are here? 2 pages. I'm select by your header one. Just add here. Now click for refresh. Okay. Now change your orders. Click for same menu. First one, home page is Telugu and Hindi. Now click for refresh. Home page, Telugu and other. To change any orders, option is called appearance to menu option. The menu you can add or the menu will be remove purpose. And always remember, in your menu activation purpose, select by the automatic add. Automatic nothing but no need to approve your menu option. If it is disabled, every menu you can add by the manually. Suppose I'm disable this option, save menu. So we create any kind of menus, they're not adding for automatically. You can add by manually where using this option. So this is option will be any menus to add automatic on your menu bar option. That is called to activate one automatically add new top level page. This will be valid for static page. This will be valid for static. If you go dynamic, don't add this option. Only for static website to activate this option. For dynamic, no need to select by this option. Dynamic, based on your option, the option will be changed. This value only for static website. Please note down. So I'm designing my website including pages. How to add my pages in particular content. So my pages was created by dashboard. How many total? 3 pages. So I'm selecting for Hindi. Children names for Hindi. So edit. So any website to design 2 options by video, by content. So in this I'm providing for only for video. Select, open. Add video will be 2 types. Copy the YouTube main URL. Any kind of video on your content, major part, add your block option. Select in this paragraph, image, heading. So many options are there. Check where you can come into YouTube. Select YouTube. Just copy the URL and embed. Then video. This is called icon change, width and height. What is the? This is a YouTube main URL. Update it. Done this video. I can add one more video. Second option. Which one? Embed code. So embed code. This will be select your video. Click for share. Select your embed code. Embed code nothing but to change your height and width. But always to compatible by the desktop and mobile, width will be always 100%. Copy. Edit page. Which one? Add block option. In this, you can select option call is formatting. Select by code. Why? This is a script code. That is coming to which one? Formatting. Click for code. Copy the code. Where is my video? Simple. Translate to video format. This is called your customize height and width. Customize height and width. So this one will be showing for your all options here. Middle, everything. And what options are here? Everything. If not required, remove this option. So any content upload your before any code mention, your width will be always 100%. This comparable width will be mobile and desktop and tablet. Now click for update. So a lot of people ask one question. So how to check my website will be comfortable by mobile or your tablet? Simple one. Once refresh, change your option. This coming to your mobile version. Now click for refresh. Select menu. Which one? Click for Hindi. First video. Mobile friendly or not? Second video. This will be change your option by your video. So that is called simple changing for your. So coding will be affected. So small change. So update. Refresh.